Tashi Jog, John Montevideo, Tashi Jog.
Tashi Jog, Tashi Jog, Gunchi Takambi, Tashi Jog. Tashi Jog, Nibadyola, Tashi Jog. Tashi Jog, Nipakadopia, Tashi Jog. Tashi Jog, John Montevideo, Tashi Jog. Tashi Jog, Gunchi Takambi, Tashi Jog. Tashi Jog,要是长短这本书，也要是坐着隔壁。Tashi Jog, Tashi Jog， 一起来等同而坐，我的英雄马堂地里。Tashi Jog, Tashi Jog， 要是长短这本书，我的一起来等同比。Tashi Jog, Tashi Jog， 一起来等同而坐，迷上多冷静的比。Tashi Jog， 迷上多冷静的比，冷静的比。Tashi Jog。Tashi Jog, na Tashi Jog, ni Padyola, Tashi Jog. Tashi Jog, na Tashi Jog, ni Paketope, Tashi Jog.
Tashi Jog, na Tashi Jog, John Montevideo, Tashi Jog.
Tashi Jog, na Tashi Jog, Gunchi Takambi, Tashi Jog. Tashi Jog, Nibadyola, Tashi Jog. Tashi Jog, Nipakadopia, Tashi Jog.
Tashi Jog, John Montevideo, Tashi Jog. Tashi Jog, Gunchi Takambi, Tashi Jog.
Tashi Jog， 要是长短这本书，也要是坐着隔壁。Tashi Jog， Tashi Jog， 一起来等同而坐，我的英雄马堂地里。Tashi Jog， Tashi Jog， 要是长短这本书，我的一起来等同比。Tashi Jog， Tashi Jog， 一起来等同而坐，迷上多冷静的比。Tashi Jog， 迷上多冷静的比，冷静的比。Tashi Jog。
We will study the dance Tashi Jog. Tashi means good fortune. Jog is the action of calling good fortune, preparing to receive good fortune. In the song alternates the words Tashi Jog and Tashi Sho. Rinpoche explained difference. Tashi Jog is this action, preparing, and Tashi Sho is good fortune is like this, or in this sense. And the singers is a group of 4 boys called the 4 Melodies. I did prepare the dance collaborating with Rinpoche in November 2013 in occasion of inauguration of Zangar. The formation is in half moon, and we will move along this half moon to left side, right side, and then some moment we will go in front to the imaginary center of the half moon. Some movements come from suggestion of Rinpoche, and also as you can see, the dance is very balanced, so we do mudra movement to the center, to right side, left side, and also we turn alternating to right side and left side. So structure is very balanced. And steps, we will use a basic step, 1, 2, 3, 4, or simply alternating right and left, and also we will have a lateral step. So going to right side, we will move first left, so lateral, 1, 2, 3, 4, and other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. The structure of the dance, there is a musical part, and then the lyrics. And in the lyrics we can divide in 3 sequences of movement. Then again, musical part, and the second part of lyrics repeat exactly the same as in the first part. So now we see the movement with the musical part. With the musical part, we move along the half moon. So we go first to our left direction, starting with the left step and bringing up our left arm, and we do this movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see opposite arm and leg up. Now we start right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and left again. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 counts we turn, but only 2 steps, right, left, and we go back, starting now right. 1, 2, 3, 4, again opposite arm and leg, now left, and right, third time. Third time we have to prepare, so we already start turning. Now when we turn, pay attention, so we prepare already to the center, and then we have only 1 step left. So 1 step, if we turn, and now you can hear the music is higher, the tone is higher, and with this higher tone we go to the center with 8 counts, and fast step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 5 times sequence of basic step where we open both arms, bringing to left, bringing to right, again open, and remain like this. Okay, now we have the lyrics, as we said before. Lyrics we can divide in 3 parts and 3 sequences. And each sequence has 4 lines. So let's see the first. First sequence, each line starts with this movement, with basic step, we do like that. Arms from navel up to left, and from navel up to right. First time we do in front, second time we will do facing to right side, third facing to left, and fourth again to the front. And now we have the mudra. So mudra are for one is say we prepare good fortune for the country. So we would do like this from down and up. The second, bringing fortune for the language that remain. So the language. The third, bringing fortune for future generation, also for continuation of future generation. And the fourth is about teaching, that spiritual teaching might remain stable. And now we combine. So first will be like this, with basic step. This movement. And then with 8 counts, we go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and basic step. And then we have one extra step of tap. So the full movement will be this. And then alternating, basic step and tap with right. Now we turn right side, beginning is the same. And about language, 1, 2, 3, 4, basic step, tap with right. Turning left, basic step, same mudra, and future generation. Basic step, tap, last, again. The teaching might remain stable. Now we have one more sequence of basic step and tap. Pay attention that when we do this movement, the timing will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second sequence. Mudra are the same, so fortune for the country, for language, for the future generation, continuation, and the spiritual teaching might remain stable. What changes is the previous part. So, the first line we go in front with 4 steps and we come back with 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like inviting, good fortune, and then like before, for the country. We do the same like before. Now we turn to our right, left hand on the hip, and we do this movement with 2 sequences of basic step, second, and again alphabet language. Now we turn to left, right hand on the hip, and same movement, 2 sequences of basic step, 1, 2, and the continuation of future generation. Now like it first, we go in front, come back, 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, teaching, stable, should remain. Now we have the third sequence, and in the third sequence we turn clockwise, counterclockwise, alternating. So the first part we turn clockwise, arms up, and we do this movement, like bouncing with feet and also our arms, 8 steps. So we can count 8, for example, and the steps are fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can count in 4, but still 8 steps. In this case, we can count like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we stay and we do a lotus movement with hands, and this, the song say about the 4 melodies, that is the name of the singers, and we do step like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we do lateral step, and the song speak about the language as before. So lateral step starting with left, we go to our right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. Right, left, right, right. Now we turn counterclockwise, again with 8 steps, and we do this movement with arms while we turn. So we can count as before in 2 ways. We can count 8 or 4, same. If we count 8, we do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we count 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, next words say about unifying Tibetan who live outside and inside the country, but this is also unification or going beyond every kind of border. So we do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we have lateral step. Lateral step, and the lyrics here say the wishes of increasing prosperity and wealthy of the country. So we start 1, with second step we go down, 3, 4 we go up. Again, 1, second step down, 3, 4 up. Next, we turn clockwise again. Now mudra will be like this. We open from navel. And if we count, we have 8 steps, we can count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we count 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and again mudra of the 4 melody, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now again we have lateral step and about unification. So like before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn counterclockwise. So turning clockwise, counterclockwise is also a symbol of Buddhist burn. So in this case, burn we represent like playing drums. And so we turn with 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we count 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And again, unification, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now with lateral step, the lyrics say, wish that all desire of human beings may be fulfilled. So we bring our hands to the heart and we open. So lateral step will be like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We repeat this same mudra. Now we have 4 sequence of basic step. 3 times we repeat mudra. Once, second, third, and fourth we remain like that. Now again, we have musical part. We have one set of basic step when we remain, and then we start like at the beginning. So we start with our left step, and arm goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. like before.